Hello, my friend. Today, I will draw Bluey meeting Judo for a playful day. As my drawing comes alive, let's dive into the story without delay. But first, please like this video and subscribe my channel so every new adventure can sparkle eternal. Now, tell me, can two best friends turn a game into something grand? Bluey raced to the yard, sunshine warm and bright. Judo was waiting, her eyes full of light. "Ready, Bluey," she shouted with cheer. "Let's see who can run the fastest here." They sprinted across grass, paws tapping quick, their laughter so joyful, the air felt thick. Bluey leapt high, Judo twirled round, their giggles and yelps filled all the ground. "Tag, you're it," Judo cried in fun. Bluey replied, "Catch me if you can run. Can you chase too with arms swinging wide? Pretend to dash, step side to side." As the sun dipped low, both friends lay near, smiling together, hearts full of cheer. Close your eyes, let friendship stay. Tomorrow brings games in a brand new play.